Mama wakwaba wofre me adwoa searching mesrego na wa subscribe to my channel me a notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuafo ni pe yokase eye spokesperson de ma NPP amayoko no ewo northern region now de ensem bi atodwa o kire se chief imam for asofo mo northern region youth mpanifo na hiahifu ina no mo e kire se northern region the kwan bi wo it say section of Asphalt wo hu bi da nenso his excellency na adonka kufuado ado preman ado gagai osi ade ye o kan oyo wa yo mo kwan amom de bia meka na mekoso aka say when it comes to roads sir say his excellency na adonka kufuado onye perfect Ghanaians are disappointed in his excellency na adonka kufuado ni mu because na they thought say any so yehye obekon etia corruption ene ka ubokron na no mo ache watum MPs ministers akronfo mo Ghana ha wo discam won se won konkon yade yen akwakosalai ato abade amomo so won ko represent in parliament house no wo koy omo positions ministers ehefo no omo discuss won fam ya akwan manya no mo discuss no na wo di mu 1% pa ya akwan ya de be che na akwan ni atutu won fa ko si school na ya school no mana cement nko ado che na adregu mofra so nsem hu nko na Ghana fo panifo bidi wo mo bi sika say onkoto ambulance embre ye say na be ya akwan hia si ba bi a ebetimi abesese nkofo na hospital obi yare no owu a ambulance betimi na di hospital entem wo ma so mesika so onkota a na omu adi sika no chese corruption akese politics ewiase afa na ba bia politics corruption wo na Africa yende ne de ene pani behwe enye yize panifo no omo fa yensa ahwenye ni bom na omu di nsem hu saa na omo ko nti na Ghana fo de ye wareshem e wo his excellency ne mu so oba be ko atia kata hyehye na proye na his excellency ba wa ye no hu bi ene na no maslock woman omo ejele no ama amle so waka US so obo so ye che na to wo ye hu bebi odabekra NPP aban abomodin ache corrupt politicians ni biagu NDC ahena omo ache omo efa NPP ho NDC fo na ka ya dwen say why you miskeda dia his excellency ban ko beje nenso na nado ban ye hu de sati Ghana fo bebre are disappointed they won mo but when it comes to roads dia education sector health sector we be say health sector na why health sector his excellency aye bibi because na nado be president nurses na friend say doctors omo ko demonstration edu 3 kra nenso asumasi ne penso wan penda da mahama na ndisi fo won penso adebechi bia na doctors nurses fo ekwekra blood cards edenam krom yempe o muntumo his excellency wo kan ya na wa atumi dia ma any teachers adebechi bia de wokra blood cards e wo man penda da mahama ne penso nenso his excellency na Abraham Kakufo-Addo by nurses na doctors ahye and on mark demonstration actually also 3 times in po ebi nsi hwedum so ba ya Ghana fo kan de dum so enye kra na eje na NDC 4 person yetumi da light him 1 hour no mo dum 5 days Ghana fo so wo hu hwe drones they deliver blood they save your manfo ni na ye health sector ni bia when it comes to education so as STEM schools emini TVET free education na free education is no so no a free education is na another de buy no ko secondary school bia where see facilities wo hono ma mofo nya ba bitine sua de nya ba bi da nti na de double track na so ate no any education sector nti catch lebe then a chasa his excellency we feel ye wona membu mu aside corruption na went me anche akronfo Ghana fo mpanifo ni biangu his excellency ayade nti eba de se nia me ya ene ndenche na akwan podi no wanka akwan obi aka se akwan be na nanado aya mu kan yehu o constituency ho no no e bit say yemfa East Legon Hills any example Santo ni port so omo so NDC ni watena so for over 18 years o sa he na me chese na nanado ba ban mu 8 years ani nti sa Santo okwan na be 17 years 1 year no ene ho ne forta enso NDC ni note so ti NDC de ba na kwan de mu nya bi nti wa ye ka kwan ho asema so hu no faka na chima untumi nchima so afa wo phone ko Google ko search neja social media atemhu na wudi no emfafa so bi embro yem pega na nkan ko NPP na NDC omo no mo ye dukadaya na mmom no abanya oba otimi ye mpuntudwuma na yenye bi no na ye hwehwe yen kasa NDC mu nipa bi sorry NPP mu panifo NPP mu panifo papa ba no wom ayo abedi omo achi na mmom policies na ye nti and northern region chief imam for kire say his excellency abayede wo hu bi da 2024 the by hook or crook NPP and NPP yenti nsema wo de etudwa.
So now let me take you to the northern region and how you are preparing for election 2024. Yesterday we saw the vice president in his home region, Northeast, and the welcoming was amazing. How are you preparing yourself to see him through his campaign period when he comes there?
Oh yes, all eyes on northern region. We're going to show
Absolutely.
Oh yes, and demonstrate to the world that the man has the solid support from the 5 northern regions. This is just northeast region. Yes, it's coming from northeast region, but the man was born Dr. Bawumia and bred in Tamale. Had his primary education at Sakasaka Primary School, secondary education at Tamale. He's a Tamale typical Tamale Zongo boy. You understand? Moshizongo, born and bred in Moshizongo. We all know Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. There are people who taught him in the classroom who are still existing. So Northern Region is precisely the home of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, and we will show the way. He is touching down on Thursday to have a breakfast meeting with what we call the clergy, meet with our pastors and the imams and the House of Chiefs, and in the afternoon take him to the what we call the Abu market. You people will see the tumultuous welcome that will be greeted to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia at the Abu market. It's well organized and well prepared, and people are voluntarily coming out. Even NDC people who think that John Mahama has failed them and doesn't have any business of contesting to be president again are in support of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. So we are preparing. We have a last regional executive committee meeting today in the evening and finalize everything. The venue will be at a Modern City Hotel. That's why we decided that's where the meetings will take place, and he will come and go to Abu Market, and the Youth Connect program will also happen at the UDS auditorium built by the Kufuor government. That is being used by all the political parties to organize their events. So we will meet there for the Youth Connect program, and that will be for the day. And the man will still have Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, our flag bearer, will still have more opportunity to visit. We are planning to take him to one of the constituencies in under Tamal Metro, that is Sanargo. For when it's approved today, we will do that. You know, our lady, Madame Felicia Tete, is doing very well in Sanargo constituency, and she's ready to take the seat for the MPP and all the Tamale. She's Tamale North, so in his seat, the man cannot even stay in Accra for 2 or 3 days. He's under fire. The young man, Honorable Abre, is putting and the development that is putting in the constituency as if Tamale North has never witnessed any development before. And Tamale Metro, they asked for everybody. We recently commissioned the Asphalt. The mayor went on TV, went to me 3 days ago and showed to the world what he has inherited from Honorable Musa Superior and what he's doing. It was massive across Tamale Metro. So people are ready to welcome Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Flyers are already flying, and interviews are granted, and radio publicity is going on. So inshallah, you come here, and as we all know how we do it in Northern Region, we know people are watching us, and we have organized it properly. Inshallah, we come and campaign, and particularly our imams, they are very happy. It's the first time they are seeing this, and they are, the regional chief imam led by the Muslim Council are preparing to welcome him. The clergy that consists of the Christian Council in Northern Region, they are also preparing to, and the traditional, we expect the overlord of Dagon to grace the occasion with all the our paramounts. We have about 36 paramounts. All of them will grace the occasion to see their son the very first time and in his attempt to be president of the Republic of Ghana. As for John, his history, our people in Northern Region are very angry with him. He's trying to spoil the name of every Northerner who assumed the office of the presidency because of his record. So Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is coming to redeem that. And we all know, if we are to profile, when we went to the delivery tracker, or I sent a lot of projects that is not even captured under the tracker. I told them, Northern Region, this is what we have done, that nobody has been able to do since 1957. The $150 million Tatali Tamale, from Tamale Yendi, you have a dual carriage. That's never happened before. Yendi, from Yendi to Samsugu. They have done the asphalt on the road from Samsugu to Tatale, straight up to the border town. That is what Akufo-Addo has done for the people of Northern Region. As for the interchange, I'm not going to mention it. Everybody, I can see the interchange that is Bimbila Township. As we speak, dual carriage from Bimbila to Konta, from Chamba to Pendai. Asphalt, you understand? We have 8 Agenda 111 projects in Northern Region, all at the various level of completion, including the first time in the history of Northern Region, a psychiatric hospital, which is almost a regional hospital. Unless you see the edifice, we have shared the pictures across. So if we are going to vote based on record, and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is campaigning on record, campaigning on his vision, when someone is talking about the 24-hour, that a poor